Coming close to the Lakshman Jhoola now, after having crossed this rapid called Double Trouble. Double Trouble is so named because there is a rock in the middle and the water flows on both the sides. This temple is called Tambakeshwar, 13-story temple which we had climbed yesterday, and we taken some pictures from there. And the Lakshman Jhoola is so named because ancient times when Ramji was doing his penance here for having killed Ravan, Lakshman crossed over Ganga at this spot by a rope way bridge, and now the ropeway has been converted into a steel rope bridge which was made in 1879, and in 1924 it broke down, and this is the new bridge which has been made since 1924. So this is the Lakshman Jhoola. The sun is against us and hence one can see it through the shimmering waters, but when we get on the other side of the bridge then we'll be able to see it better. This is our crew. Towards my left here is Parmeshwaran, Aryan Sharma, who's been doing this from ages, and that is Lynn out here sitting and really enjoying this ride. To give her credit, she never felt that she won't be able to do it at the age of 60, whereas generally the age for doing this is the maximum age is 38, that they want people to be of that age. So there we are now, crossing the Lakshman Jhoola, and the Tambakeshwar temple on the left side. Scooters and other two-wheelers cross over the bridge. That is the temple, as you can see. Yesterday, as you would have heard Lynn so far, we came here and we climbed all the 13th floor till right on top, which you can see now. And that is one of the speed boats which is approaching us now. And the surroundings. Turn around and sit here, darling. Facing that side. Okay, now we are crossing under the Lakshman Jhoola, and that is where Lynn is sitting now. And I sit right in the peak of the boat, where I can take that complete crew who have been with us for this complete river rafting. So there we have now under the bridge. We are crossing that now, and here we are. We just crossed the bridge, and as you can see now, the sun in the right direction, so the sun is falling on Lynn, and we will be coming closer now to the Ram